Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trending Fashion. How are you friends? I hope all of you fine and happy. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and more success. My dear friends, today my video topic is about more stylish and beautiful graceful collection of stiletto high heels pumps for women. These type of collection especially for those women who love to wear such type of high heels collection. You can some beautiful and latest ideas from my video, so be sure to watch my video till the end and get more ideas about new trending fashion. So guys, if you like such collection, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Trending Fashion, like, share my video. So if you want to buy this latest collection of beautiful high heels standard, then I will tell you a best websites from here. You can buy this beautiful collection of high heels. So friends, before telling you the best website, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Trending Fashion for more latest ideas about fashion. So now I will tell you the best website from here. You can buy this latest collection of high heels online. So you can buy these websites: amazon.com, aliexpress.com and ebay.com. I always try to best useful by video and content for you. So do not forget to like my video and give me your valuable feedback and with AI you want to see about fashion. After watching my video, if you like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel Trending Fashion and share my video with other friends and other social media accounts. And do not forget to press the bell icon. So now goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new latest collection of high heels and sandals collection. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and valuable feedback. Give me a valuable feedback so I can new upload video come to you, and press the bell icon. Bye. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trending Fashion.